Hello students, today we're gonna learn Google Slides. We're gonna access by typing slides.google.com. Then here's where you have all your presentation. If you're creating a new one, you just hit the blank or select the one that you are gonna use. But here is where you see the slide that I already shared with you. The name is Identify Numbers. So here you have the presentation for this activity of connecting numbers with quantities using the 10 hot dogs frying on the pan. So to navigate on Google Slides, here on top we have the toolbar where you have all these tools in order to change, add, edit. If you need to add another thumbnail, that all these on the left side are called thumbnails. Here is the scroll bar. If you click on that, you go up and down, or you can use your drop down arrow on your keyboard to go to a different slide or thumbnail. Here on the right top, we have slideshow, and this will give you access to the slideshow by clicking the space bar until you go through all. I will suggest to start with the slideshow to identify the numbers, review it with your team before you start the hot dogs activity. I'm gonna click on escape on my keyboard, and that will bring me back to the slide. Here next to the slide we have the share. In the future, if you're creating a presentation, you want to share it to me or with other students, you just type the name or their email and copy link and send it in that email attachment. But for the purpose of this activity, you're not making any changes to this presentation. So once again, one of you is doing the activity, the hands-on activity with hot dogs in the frying pan. Another student is working with the computer and navigating Google Slides, clicking on the right thumbnail, using the keyboard, and just playing with the presentation, going up and down. And the third student is collaborating, identifying the correct number. As you see, every time you click, you can go up and down. And here's where you see when it was the last time that the presentation was edited. Google Slide, because it's an online program, it saves it automatically. So if you go to your house and you want to keep working with it, you just go again to your open slides.google.com, and you should have access to the presentation at the same time the other student is working with the presentation. You can add pictures, audio, images, upload it from your computer or search it from the web, from your photos. And that's how you work with Google Slide. Thank you for listening.